Hi everyone, I'm Shubhekshya Bhandari from Imperial World School, grade 9. People often have this misconception about how there is no way around algebra and the only way to it is memorizing it, but I'm here to prove that wrong with two very simple linear equations. And these two equations will prove to you how we can visualize algebra and understand it in our own. So here for counters, all these yellow ones are the positive counters and these red ones are the negative ones. So let's start with the first linear equation, that is x plus y equals 5 and x minus y equals 1. So here for x variable, I'm using circular shapes, and for y, I'm using square shapes, and these are for constant numbers. So for example, if I take 3 yellow circles, it means 3x, and if I take 2 red circles, it means minus 2x. And it's the same with y. 2 yellow square means 2x, and 2 red square means minus 2x. And for the constant, here 1 red one means minus 1, minus 2, and minus 3. 1, 2, and 3. And as we all know, positive and negative, they cut each other. So I'm going to get started with the first equation, that is x plus y equals 5 and x minus y equals 1. This part will be used for the variables and this part will be used for constant number like 5 and 1. So here it's x plus y equals 5, so x plus positive y equals 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the other one is x minus y, which is negative, equals 1. So as we already know, positive and negative, they cancel each other. So this makes up for 2x equals 6. And now we can divide this. 6 by 2 equals 3. That is why our value of x is 3. Now using this value, we can find the value of y. We can take any one of these equations. Let's take the first one, for example. So now that we already know x is 3, let's put 3 in place of x and y again in place of y. So now here it is x plus y equals 5, which is also 3 plus y equals 5. So now let's equally take, now I'm taking one of this yellow from x, so let's take one from the constant number as well. So I'm equally taking it out, 3 from each, which leaves us to y equals 2. Now let's solve it with the equation. Let's see if we got it correct or not. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Yes, this one is correct. And 3 minus 2 equals 1. We got it correct. Now it's time for the second equation. 2x plus y equals 6 and x minus y equals minus 3. So let's get started with this one the same way. So again, using the same 2 yellow circles for 2x, 2 positive x, and 1 square for 1 positive y. Let's use these for the constants again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now for the second one, 1 positive x and 1 negative y, which means red square. And again, for the constant number 2, it's negative 3. So 1, 2, 3. So now let's get started with solving the equations. As we know, positive and negative, they cancel out each other. So let's take this. And also for the numbers, they cancel out each other. So 1 for 1. And same with all 3 of it. Now that we got 3x and 3, we can just divide it, which leaves us with x equals 1. So therefore, x equals 1. Now using the value of x, let's try to find the value of y. Let's use the first equation, 2x plus y equals 6. 2 positive x plus 1 positive y equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So as we know, we can replace the value of x with 1 and the other x with 1 as well. So now, let's equally take these constant numbers out of the equation. So here I'm taking 2, so I'm going to be taking 2 from this side as well, which leaves us with y equals 4. Now it's time to check if the answers we got were correct or not. 2x plus y equals 6, so 2 into 1 plus 4 equals 6. 2 plus 4 equals 6. We got it correct. Let's again try it for the second equation. X minus y equals minus 3. So 1 minus 4 equals minus 3. We got this one correct as well. And this is how you learn about linear equation with a simple activity. I hope you learned something new. Thank you.